Welcome to MedCentral. In this video, we are going to talk about the common cold. All of you may have a common cold at least once or twice per year, and it is a very common condition in the community. Also, it is highly contagious. So, let's see what the causes of the common cold are, what are the symptoms, how to treat the common cold, some home remedies, and finally when to see the doctor. I hope that this video will be helpful for you all. So, let's jump right into the video. Common cold. It is a contagious upper respiratory tract infection that affects your nose, throat, sinuses, and trachea. More than 200 viruses are identified which can cause the common cold. In most cases, it is the rhinovirus. It is a major cause of healthcare provider visits and absences from school or work. As the name implies, it is very common and highly contagious. How the common cold spreads. When infected individual sneezes or coughs, and virus-containing particles called aerosols and droplets are released into the air. When someone inhales these droplets, the virus comes to contact with the mucous membranes of the nose, throat, and sinuses. It causes the infection. Also, if you touch a surface that contains these droplets and then you touch your nose, eyes, or mouth, the same procedure happens. Why do children get the common cold more than an adult? When our body is exposed to a certain pathogenic bacteria or virus, the immune system of our body produces antibodies that help to prevent future infection of the same organism. As children are not exposed to many viruses and there are about 200 viruses that can cause the common cold, children are more prone to get the common cold than adults. Also, kids are in close contact with other kids, and they don't cover their nose and mouth when coughing or sneezing, and they don't practice hand hygiene. It is also a contributing factor. Causes for the common cold. Rhinovirus. Up to 50% of common colds. More than 100 rhinoviruses were identified to cause the common cold. Also, many other viruses can cause the common cold as well. Symptoms of the common cold: sneezing, runny nose, cough, sore throat, headache, loss of smell or taste, postnasal drip or drainage in the back of your throat, nasal congestion, watery eyes, swollen lymph nodes, fatigue or general tiredness, chills, body aches, low-grade fever below 102 degrees Fahrenheit, 38.9 degrees Celsius, chest discomfort, difficulty breathing deeply. Lungs are not affected by the common cold. These typically last for 7 to 10 days. Let's look at the treatment options for common cold. There is no cure for the common cold. What you can do is make yourself comfortable as possible until you recover. Don't use antibiotics as the common cold is a viral infection. There are some drugs that you can take over the counter to relieve the symptoms of the common cold and make you comfortable. Pain relievers. Acetaminophen and NSAIDs such as ibuprofen, naproxen, and aspirin to relieve headache and fever. Decongestants such as phenylephrine can be used to reduce nasal congestion and stiffness. Antihistamines diphenhydramine to stop sneezing and runny nose by reducing mucus production and nasal irritation. Antitussives such as dextromethorphan and codeine reduce the cough reflex. Expectorants such as guaifenesin thin and loosen the mucus. Zinc, vitamin C, and echinacea can boost your immune system. Also, getting some rest will speed up the recovery and prevent the spreading from you. There are some home remedies which can be used to relieve symptoms of common cold. Gargling with salt water. A saltwater gargle can help coat your throat and ease irritation. Drinking plenty of fluids. Staying well hydrated helps you replace fluids you've lost while also helping relieve congestion. Using vapor rub. Vapor rub topical ointments help open your airways and ease congestion. Getting lots of rest. Getting plenty of rest helps your body save energy to let the virus run its course. Zinc lozenges. Zinc lozenges may reduce how long cold symptoms last if they're taken at the very start of your symptoms. Echinacea. According to research, echinacea may be effective at reducing the duration of a cold in some cases. It is very important to prevent the common cold. Here are some steps you can take to prevent the spread of common cold. Wash hands. Avoid touching your face. Clean surfaces that may have been contaminated with droplets. Hand sanitizers. Boost your immunity by getting enough sleep, a healthy diet, and regular exercise. When to see the doctor. Severe or worsening symptoms. Persistent symptoms. Difficulty in breathing. High or persistent fever. Child under 3 months. The common cold is usually resolved in 7 to 10 days, and it is not a severe disease, but it may cause a severe impact on your day-to-day work. So, I hope that this video will help you to relieve your symptoms as well as to prevent the common cold. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. Goodbye until next time.